Boys and girls, fasten your seatbelt. We are live at London Finsbury Park. We are close by to the Emirates Stadium, which is home of the, Arsenal Stadium. Yeah, this is 717008. This is working on 1927 Great Northern from all stations to Stevenage via the Hertford Loop Line and Enfield Chase. 717008. You know what to do, driver. Don't make yourself late and leave on time as a pledge of Great Northern. So it's calling out Haringey, Hornsey, Alexandra Palace, Bose Park, Palmer's Green, Winchell Hill, Grange Park, Enfield Chase, Gordon Hill, Cruise Hill, Cuffley, Bayford, Hertford, Northport and Stone, Stevenage. Off you go. Cheers! Thank you, Stevenage too. Nice, no good going. And there's another one passing through. We might just be able to get you a glimpse here of it. There's a train to Brighton over there. We know what train it is, it's a Lumo. A0302 and 700 112. For Brighton. From Cambridge.